In this video, you will learn about 3 situations in which you would use the present perfect tense. This video is a part of tenses. The present perfect tense is used to describe an action that happened in the past, but the effect of it can still be seen in the present. For example, I have broken my arm. This sentence means he broke his arm in the past, and in the present, his arm is still broken. Another example is, he has painted his room. This sentence means he painted his room in the recent past, and in the present, you can see the effect of the newly painted room. The present perfect tense is also used to describe life experiences. For example, I have lived in Bangalore for 3 years. This sentence means the speaker moved to Bangalore 3 years ago and still lives there. Here is another example. He has made a beautiful painting. This sentence means he made the painting in the past, and in the present, its beauty is still being admired. The present perfect tense is also used to talk about events that started in the past and are still going on. For example, Jay has worked here since 2003. This sentence means Jay joined the company in the past and continues to work in the same company. Here's another example. We have seen a cat in the office. This sentence means the speaker and his colleagues have seen a cat in the past and continue to see it in their office. Let us understand the difference between the present perfect tense and the past simple tense. The present perfect tense is used to show an action which took place in the past, and the effect can still be seen in the present. For example, he has broken his arm. This sentence means that the person broke his arm in the past and it continues to be broken in the present. The past simple tense is used to talk about an action which took place in the past, but its effect cannot be seen in the present. For example, he broke his arm. This sentence means that the person broke his arm in the past, and in the present, it is healed. His arm is no longer broken. Let's take another example. I have finished 5 reports. In this sentence, the speaker has finished writing 5 reports, and there might be more reports to write in the present. This sentence is in the present perfect tense. In the sentence, I finished 5 reports, the speaker has finished writing 5 reports, and there are no more reports to complete. This sentence is in the past simple tense. To form a positive sentence, use the pronoun I, you, we, or they. Add have and an action word in the past participle form. For example, I have taken your sandwich. Or, you have taken my sandwich. Or, we have taken your sandwich. Or, they have taken our sandwich. To form a sentence using he, she, or it, add has and a verb in its past participle form. For example, he has spent his money. Or, the cat has frozen because of the snow. Or, Jay has known Arya as a baby. To use a proper noun like Jay, Arya, or India, use has to form the sentence. For example, Jay has spent his money. Or, Arya has forgotten her bag at home. Or, India has grown since its independence. Already, just, yet, or still is used in the present perfect tense to emphasize that the sentence is related to the present moment. Let us look at a few examples to understand this better. Use just with the present perfect tense to talk about a short time before an event. For example, Jay has just spent his money. This sentence means that Jay has completed the activity of spending all his money just a few minutes ago. Use yet to talk about something we expect to happen anytime soon. It is used in negative sentences. For example, Jay has not spent his money yet. This means Jay has not spent his money, but he will soon. Use still to talk about something that hasn't happened but was expected to happen earlier. It is used in negative sentences. For example, Jay has still not spent his money. This means Jay has not spent all his money and he has some left with him. Use already with the present perfect tense to talk about before now. For example, Jay has already spent his money. This means Jay has completed the activity of spending all his money. Now you know about the present perfect tense and how to form sentences using it.